Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app. It's really simple and easy. Open the app and go to wallet and then simply tap on this more option. After that, you have to select this withdraw option. You can see this last one here. Then you have to tap on the token that you wish to withdraw. It can be any. Then you have to select the withdrawal method to card, to bank account or to crypto app, whatever suits for you. Then you have to fill in the amount that you like to withdraw and then simply tap on this continue here. After that, you will be redirected to the off-ramp provider withdrawal flow on an external website. Fill out the information request to continue with the transaction. Then you have to tap on this confirm withdraw and then simply tap on this done, and after that you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to withdraw money from Worldcoin app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.